In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a default window layout for a NotPlot project folder. Now this assumes that you've already created a NotPlot project folder, and I have two YouTube videos about that, one for Mac and one for PC, so please check out those. Anyway, so here's my NotPlot project folder. I'm going to open it up. Now on a Windows machine, you would have, instead of launch NotPlot here, helper application, you would have created a shortcut to NotPlot. In any event, you would double click on whatever you have to start up NotPlot so that it's saving and loading files into that project folder. So you can see the default window layout on this screen side is a little bit annoying because the NotPlot command window covers the main view window. So we want to fix that. So let's just move this over, move it down a bit here, and make the command window or the control panel a little bit better sized. So you can see the aspect ratio has been distorted. If that bothers you, as it does me, just click anywhere on the blue background to get the aspect ratio back to the default. So it looks pretty good. Maybe make that a little bit bigger. And maybe this a little bit smaller. It can be a little tricky sometimes. Anyways, that looks good. So what I'm going to do now is type in a command to save the window layout to a file. And that command is winfo, W-I-N-F-O. And then give it a file name. It can be any name. I'm just going to use layout. But you could have, say, layout 1, layout 2, or whatever. Hit return. And it says window layout saved to file layout.kps. Now that's a NotPlot script. And so what we want to do now is get NotPlot to read in that layout every single time it starts up. And the way to do that is to put a command into the same place that you put the key when you installed your key. And so we click on Preferences, and this can go anywhere, but I'm going to put it at the bottom here. Now it's important to read in the layout file a short time after NotPlot actually starts up. So in order to do that, we're going to use a timer function. So the command is tfunc for timer function. And the delay will be half a second, so 0.5 seconds. And then read in the script. And the command to get a script read into NotPlot is angle bracket, and then the name of the script, layout.kps. Now make sure you have no space between the angle bracket and the name of the script. So save that, quit the editor, quit NotPlot, and then launch NotPlot once again, see what happens. You can see a short delay, half a second later, and we get the layout we want, which is exactly what we wanted to do.